So this is the problem on not a lot of bikes, but a few. This is a Morona, and when you throttle it, the pedals wanna roll, like so.
Yeah.
So first thing you're gonna do is come over here and check your chain, and just if you can move your chain, if that thing is solid, it's probably your chain tension. But this is okay. So
Yeah.
it's
So
not
you want
that.
a little bit of give.
So it's not that. So under here, yeah, I might have to.
Oh, hold on. My fingers are. Oh, it'll be okay.
So, all right. So we're under the Morona now. And if you see here, there's a retainer ring here, and this is your adjustment. It looks like you need a specialty tool here, but you don't. We're just going to take a flathead screwdriver or a chisel, and you can just take a hammer and tap this. I've loosened this off already. But so you tap, and then this ring will come off. It's hard to do this with the camera.
You want me to hold?
So you move that back, and then you take your chisel or your screwdriver again, and just
Can we hold it?
yeah, if you can hold that. I don't know if you can.
Like that?
Yeah, I gotta get a hammer in there. Oh. Anyways, let me. So yeah. So once this ring is off, these two slots here. Oh, and this is mirror image too. So you just take your screwdriver in there and just tap this counterclockwise. I'm working mirror image here. This is just not fun.
Well, we're not editing it out.
Okay. So I'm gonna, yeah, and I'm gonna,
Maybe
you're
it
gonna have
should
to
be
hold
further
that.
away.
You can hold that there.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna tap. Just gonna tap that. Loosen it up. And
And I'm holding the bike just so people know. This is, whoa, getting heavy as 60.
oh, is this a lead acid too? Isn't
This
it?
is lead acid.
All right, get your workout for today. So you tighten that. That feels pretty good. So so we'll just test this. Lean that over.
Oh, lean.
And we solved our problem.
Yep.
So now, and then you just put that retainer ring back on.
Yeah.
And just snug it up with your hammer and your chisel or your screwdriver. And that's it.
Thanks.
It's a lot easier to do than it is to shoot a video of.
Yeah.